class, Miss Sajida Rashid here with BS Zoology and BS Chemistry second semester. Today lecture number 5, topic of discussion, meiosis, the basis of sexual reproduction. This is actually the contents of principal animal life 2. BS Zoology and BS Chemistry second semester, subject principle of animal life 2 according to lecture number 5. Today topic of discussion is meiosis, actually the basis of sexual reproduction. Before we have to start the topic meiosis, you have to know about what is sexual reproduction. Actually the sexual reproduction requires a genetic contribution from two different sex cells. From two different sex cells, two genetic gametes involved for sexual reproduction, sperm cell and egg cell. In animals, a male gamete sperm unites with a female gamete egg during fertilization. During fertilization procedure, both gametes, eggs and sperm cells unite with each other and produce fertile offspring by the process of fertilization. Syngamy, there is a short question, what is the syngamy? The fusion of both gametes is called syngamy. There are two types of cells. First one, somatic cells. The cells of the body are called somatic cell, while the cells other than body which produce germ cells, these are called germ cell, which produce eggs, gametes and sperms are called germ cell. There are two types of cells. First one, somatic cells, the cells of the body are called somatic cell, while second one, germ cells, which produce gametes. Both type of eggs and sperm produce within the germ cell. उसके बाद आज हमने डिस्कस करनी है meiosis. meiosis क्या होती है? A type of cell division is called meiosis, occurs in specialized cells of the ovaries and testes and reduce the number of chromosomes to the haploid. During the procedure of meiosis, the number of chromosomes will haploid reduce to half. So the topic of meiosis is very important. That is very important long question. Write a detailed note on meiosis. There are two types of meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. We have to discuss in detail in the next lecture. So today our topic of discussion according to lecture number 5 with BS Zoology and BS Chemistry second semester, meiosis and the basis of sexual reproduction. Before this we have discussed mitosis. Mitosis is actually the division of a single cell into two daughter cells. Mitosis is equational division, while meiosis is called reductional division. In meiosis, a cell is divided into four daughter cells. Before to start the topic of meiosis, you have to know about sexual reproduction. Reproduction procedure, reproduction phenomena is very important to maintain life in the next generation. So sexual reproduction take place in living organisms. Sexual reproduction requires two types of cell, sperm cell and egg cell. The eggs produce within the ovaries in female body, while sperm cell produce within the testes in the male body. So sexual reproduction require a genetic contribution of two types of different sex cells. First one, sperm cells. These are produced in animal. A male gamete sperm cell produce, while a female ovaries within the female body produce eggs unite with sperms by the procedure called fertilization. So there is a short question arise, what is syngamy? The fusion of both eggs and sperm cell is called syngamy. So you have to already declare that there are two types of cells, somatic cell and germ cell. The body cells are called somatic cell, while other cells of body which produce eggs and sperm, these are called germ cell. Other than somatic cell, the cells will be called germ cell. The germ cell produce both fertilization procedure, ovaries and sperm produced by testes within male body, while eggs produced within the ovaries in the female body. So these will be called germ cell. After that, today we have to discuss about meiosis. Meiosis is actually reductional division. In meiosis, a single cell is divided into four daughter cells. The number of chromosomes will be haploid after meiosis. Meiosis is actually a type of cell division, is called meiosis. Is actually occur in specialized cells of the bodies, within the female in ovaries, while within the male in the testes, and during this cell division the number of chromosome reduced to half, then it will be produced haploid number of chromosome. After the procedure of meiosis. There are two types of meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. We should discuss in detail in the next lecture types of meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. What is meiosis, what is the significance of meiosis, where meiosis take place, and what is actually the difference between mitosis and meiosis, what is the difference between sperm and egg cell, what is the difference between somatic cell and germ cell, what is syngamy. This is very important topics about your course contents, as short question as well as long question. I hope so you understand lecture number 5 with BS Zoology and BS Chemistry second semester, Principle of Animal Life 2. Meiosis is actually the basis of sexual reproduction. That is very important MCQ. Actually meiosis जो है यही basis है sexual reproduction की. So mitosis is actually the division of a single cell into two daughter cell. Meiosis is equational division, while meiosis is reductional division, and meiosis is also the base of sexual reproduction. So this was our topic of discussion. I hope so you understand. See you again in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Take care of you.